top 5 best pocket knives of 2026. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every outdoorsman, gear enthusiast, and everyday carrier will appreciate: the top 5 best pocket knives of 2026. Whether you need a knife for bushcraft, camping, daily tasks, or reliable self-reliance, the 2026 lineup brings cutting-edge materials, improved ergonomics. Number 5. Gerber LST Ultra 2026 edition. A stellar update to Gerber's classic ultralight everyday carry blade. The original LST, light, smooth, tough, made a name for itself decades ago with its minimalist design, reliability, and featherweight build. In 2026, Gerber's LST Ultra brings modern materials and refined ergonomics, making it a top pick for EDC fans who want a no-frills, dependable pocket knife that disappears in the pocket until needed. At just around 1.4 ounces, the LST Ultra remains incredibly lightweight, meaning it's perfect for people who carry a knife all day but don't want bulk. The 2026 update uses 420HC stainless steel, a step up from previous iterations. This steel provides enhanced corrosion resistance and makes maintaining a sharp edge easier, even with regular use. According to Gerber's own release, this choice keeps the knife both durable and affordable, preserving the spirit of a true utility blade. Gerber also redesigned the handle for greater comfort and grip. The LST Ultra retains its glass-filled nylon construction, which contributes to its ultralight weight, but now features more ergonomic texturing and sculpting so that it feels more secure in hand, even in wet or slippery conditions. The pocket clip and lanyard hole remain, giving users flexible carry options whether clipped inside a pocket or attached to a keychain. Deployment on the 2026 LST Ultra is smooth yet straightforward. While some nail nicks were removed to simplify cleaning, the operation remains dependable. There's no over-engineered mechanism here, just solid, reliable access when you need it. For many, this is exactly the kind of everyday knife that doesn't demand maintenance, but still delivers when tasks arise. What really sets the LST Ultra apart is its value proposition. Even with modern upgrades, Gerber managed to price it affordably, making it a great choice for beginners, budget-conscious knife users, or anyone who needs a compact, light blade without compromising on quality. Its minimalism, trusted name, and utility-focused design help land it firmly at number 5 among the best pocket knives of 2026. Number 4. Civivi Klingman 2026. A folder that exemplifies modern EDC innovation at an approachable price point. Civivi has established itself as a go-to brand for producing high-performing knives without the collector price tag, and the Klingman is a perfect example of how to deliver serious value without cutting corners. The Klingman's blade uses Nitro V steel, a highly regarded stainless alloy known for its combination of toughness, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. This makes the knife ideal for everyday tasks, from opening boxes to light cutting around camp, all while maintaining a resilient cutting edge. The blade shape, a front flipper/drop point combo, strikes a great balance between utility and precision, allowing for efficient slicing as well as detailed work. One of the standout features of the 2026 Klingman is its micarta or G10 handle scales, offering both ruggedness and grip. These materials not only look refined but provide excellent traction in hand, even under wet or sweaty conditions. The ergonomics have been tuned so that the knife feels surprisingly large when pointed but remains compact in the pocket. A thoughtful design that maximizes control without compromising portability. The locking mechanism is a liner lock, which is simple but highly reliable. Civivi's engineering ensures the lock holds strong under repeated use, making the knife both safe and dependable. The pivot and bearings are smooth, enabling fast, flicky deployment via the front flipper, something many EDC users appreciate for speed and convenience. In terms of carry, Civivi gives you flexibility. The Klingman comes with a reversible tip-up pocket clip, so you can set it up for left or right-handed carry. The overall weight is kept modest, making it easy to carry all day without noticing it. For 2026, the Civivi Klingman distinguishes itself by combining premium feel materials, dependable steel, and smart ergonomics, all at a price that doesn't hit collectors or serious users hard. That combination of design, performance, and affordability earns it the number 4 spot among the best pocket knives of the year. Number 3. Remette RT-Meteor 2026, a knife that blends elegant design with cutting-edge mechanics. Remette, a boutique maker known for high-quality, carefully crafted knives, made waves in recent years, and their 2026 Meteor release proves they're pushing innovation hard. The RT-Meteor features a complex ground M390 blade, giving it superb edge retention, corrosion resistance, and a refined cutting geometry. M390 is a premium steel choice, ideal for a high-end EDC knife that's meant to last and perform under sustained use. What truly sets the Meteor apart is its button-actuated frame lock. You get the security of a frame lock with the push-button convenience usually reserved for more tactical or automatic designs. This combo is rare in pocket knives, especially in this tier, and offers a satisfying mix of smooth one-hand deployment and strong lockup. The mechanism feels precise, the button has a reassuring click, and the lock feels rock-solid once engaged. The handle is crafted from titanium with carbon fiber inlays, striking a perfect balance between strength, weight, and aesthetics. The carbon fiber adds visual flair and reduces weight, while titanium provides a rock-solid frame that can withstand rigorous carry conditions. Due to its materials and mechanical excellence, the RT-Meteor feels like a premium tool made for serious everyday use or even as part of a collector's rotation. Deployment is smooth thanks to a well-tuned flipper tab. Combined with a smooth pivot system, the RT-Meteor opens with a flick or a push. Either way, it's fast, fluid, and reliable. The blade geometry supports both slicing and detailed work, making it a versatile tool for those who use their knife for everything from precision tasks to general cutting. Given its high-end steel, smart lock system, and premium build materials, the Remette RT-Meteor 2026 earns its place at number 3. It's ideal for users who demand more than a basic EDC. They want performance, style, and mechanical sophistication all in one refined package. Number 2. Spyderco Paramilitary 3 MagnaCut Edition 2026 at number 2 is claimed by a modern legend. The Spyderco Paramilitary 3 MagnaCut Edition 2026. Spyderco's Paramilitary series has been a cornerstone of high-performance EDC knives, and the 2026 version takes it to the next level by using MagnaCut steel, which many enthusiasts describe as the ideal balance of toughness, edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening. This super steel makes the knife extremely capable in daily usage as well as demanding tasks. The blade retains the classic paramilitary profile, a drop-point style with a well-balanced belly for slicing, but with refined geometry for precision. Spyderco likely sharpened the grind and edge geometry in the 2026 version to maximize the benefits of MagnaCut, giving strong slicing performance and controlled tip work. Users will feel the difference when using it for both delicate tasks like opening boxes and more demanding work like cutting paracord or cardboard. The 2026 handle is crafted from sculpted G10 scales, giving a rugged, grippy surface that works well in both wet and dry conditions. Spyderco is known for its ergonomic design, and the Paramilitary 3 continues that legacy. The handle feels secure in hand, and the finger choil and index ramp help with precise control. The weight is balanced so the knife opens and deploys smoothly without feeling top-heavy or unwieldy. For locking, Spyderco's trusted compression lock is used, delivering a strong, safe, one-handed operation. It's responsive, reliable, and gives a solid lockup that users have come to trust in paramilitary models. The blade opens via a large thumb hole, staying true to Spyderco's iconic design and making deployment intuitive and reliable. Carry options are flexible, removable, deep carry wire clip, likely reversible, helps it stay discreet yet accessible in a pocket. The 2026 Paramilitary 3 MagnaCut Edition is perfect for users who want a robust, high-performance pocket knife that excels in both EDC and occasional heavy usage. Its blend of super steel, ergonomic design, and top-tier locking mechanism earns it a well-deserved spot at number 2. Number 1. Benchmade Bugout 636-06 Apex 2026. Topping off our list at number 1 is the Benchmade Bugout 636-06 Apex Edition 2026, an evolution of one of the most loved ultralight EDC knives. The original Bugout is famous for being featherlight yet functional. The 2026 Apex edition elevates everything with premium materials and refined engineering, making it arguably the best pocket knife of the year. At its heart, the Apex Bugout uses a CPM S90V or CPM 20CV super steel blade, depending on the variant, vastly improving edge retention and corrosion resistance over standard steels. For 2026, Benchmade likely optimized the grind and heat treat to bring out maximum performance from these advanced steels, allowing frequent users to go longer between sharpenings without sacrificing cutting performance. The blade shape retains the classic drop point with a refined tip for EDC tasks, and the slicey flat grind maximizes cutting efficiency without unnecessary weight. The handle is made from anodized 6061 T6 aluminum in a new Apex finish, offering durable surface protection and a refined look. Benchmade's engineering ensures that the handle stays rigid but light, balancing strength and portability. The ergonomics are finely tuned to deliver control and comfort. The front finger choil, spine jimping, and handle contours all help you maintain a reliable grip when using the knife for precision or heavier cuts. For locking, Benchmade retains its axis lock, known for its strength, ambidextrous operation, and smooth action. The 2026 Apex edition possibly reinvents or optimizes the lock spring for better resistance and longevity. Deployment is fast and reliable with Benchmade's signature half flipper or thumb stud access, depending on variant, giving smooth, flicky action every time. One of the biggest benefits of the Bugout 636-06 Apex is how incredibly lightweight yet practical it is. Benchmade likely kept the weight under 2.5 ounces, as in previous Bugout models, making it nearly invisible in your pocket but still highly capable. The deep carry pocket clip is ideal for everyday carry, and the overall build quality means this knife can be used hard yet remains serviceable. Combining world-class steel, weightless EDC design, and Benchmade's lock reliability, the Bugout 636-06 Apex Edition 2026 stands out as the top pocket knife of the year, a versatile, reliable, and high-performance tool for both collectors and daily users. And that wraps up our detailed guide to the top 5 best pocket knives of 2026. Each model on this list brings something special, from ultra-tough steels to smart ergonomic designs, innovative locking systems, and the kind of craftsmanship that makes a knife reliable year after year. Whether you're an outdoors adventurer, a collector, or just someone who appreciates having a dependable EDC blade, 2026 offers some of the best knives ever created.